So we are here with Tilla and Rafael, and we are in the Swiss Alps, and we're talking here. We're going to go to see snow, and so Tilla, we're here in this beautiful place, amazing environment, and one of the things that we always think about when we talk about visualization is that visualization is to make things beautiful, right? But it's only about being beautiful.
No, it's not only about being beautiful, but this some kind of making, being able to make sense of things. So to make sense of data, if you have got a large amount of data, and how you understand it, what are the patterns in there, what are the trends, and visualization is one form. How you can, if you can visualize the data, so that you can better understand your data, and it's helping you in making decisions as well. So in many areas it is being used. So in data science or in other parts, or for example in meteorology, you can everything visualize.
Okay, so you're talking a lot about data there, right? And every time anyone talks about data, we think about large quantity of data, big data, and of course you have to think about AI. So what's the relationship between visualization, data, AI?
The connection can be that AI can help in visualization, for example, but it's also the other way around. So AI can help in visualization because usually you need to have a lot of skills to make good visualization, and if you don't have that skills, maybe you can get AI help you in that process. And this is the case, for example, when you are doing explorative data analysis, then I can imagine very well that in that process, when you need to generate visualizations quickly and then throw away quickly because you are experimenting, then there is AI that you can use for that, because it doesn't need to be fancy, but it's just for the purpose. And for those things, you can use AI.
Okay, let me see if I understand that then. So then everyone's talking about having large amount of data and having AI make sense of this data. We're actually saying that we can use AI to create something to make sense of the data.
Yeah, so you can use AI as well to generate quickly visualizations so that you are able to make sense of data.
Okay, so it's a very sophisticated, so you use AI to make sense of the data, and then because you have the data, AI can make sense of other
Yes,
things.
and you need to make sense of data because after that you are using that in a machine learning model. So there you have got this connection. So.
Right. And when we have this whole discussion about AI, what are the skills that people need to be able to participate on this crazy AI world now?
It's depending on which kind of AI you are going to use. Whether it's traditional AI, so predictive AI, then you need to understand all the traditional concepts, how to build models. For that, you also need some skills, knowledge in statistics and algorithms as well. And then you can use all of this. Oh, we are in a tunnel.
It's all good. Okay, so And in terms of software development, right? Do you are there libraries that we can use to do those things, or we have to do everything from scratch? Is Java a good solution for that, or you have to use
For AI?
Python? Yeah.
Yes, so now the world is changing because before many people only used Python for AI stuff because that was the language that everyone was knowing about it. But right now, you can do the same thing with Java. So in Java, you also have some libraries. And for example, I heard about DeepNet, and then you can make the whole thing with Java as well. And you know, Java is a robust, very well supported language. So you can even build better applications and more reliable applications than with Python.
And that's a waterfall right here that we're passing by, right? So having very cool conversation about AI and software development in the middle of this amazing environment is awesome. So where are we going right now?
Right now we are going to Zermatt, and then we will visit the village and discover the whole environment. Maybe go a little bit higher, make some so that we can see a little bit more. Maybe we can touch snow, depending on, but I hope it will be a very good day because we have got sunshine, no rain, so everything is perfect, I hope.
Yes, perfect. So we're now celebrating 30 years of Java, right? So it's
Right.
a beautiful place. First, look, there's all kinds of waterfalls here, right? So beautiful place for first to celebrate 30 years of Java. So what you have to say about 30 years of Java?
That's an amazing time. I hadn't thought that it's possible because I was starting with early releases of Java, and all the way along I was seeing all that development, one version after the other. But it's amazing to see, and you know, with this new type of how to say cadence of the versions, that every half a year you have got a new version of Java. There is a more dynamic in it, and you know, you have all that community all around Java. So it is not just the technology, but it's also the people around. And this whole combination makes it very amazing. So we can hope that we still have a future for Java for a long time, I guess.
It's very cool. And so you run the Out of the Box Developer Podcast, right? So tell us a little bit
Yes.
about it. And look at how beautiful the mountains over there, right? It's all full of snow on the top. Yeah.
Yeah, so this podcast we are making together with friends. It's a weekly edition. So every other week we have got a session with very amazing and interesting people. So we are trying to get interesting people so that we can talk about a wide range of topics, Java, career, AI, or about conferences, for example. So all the topics that people are interested in. And then those sessions are being streamed onto different channels so that we can reach more people.
Okay, very cool. So how people can watch the Out of the Box Developers? Is there a place they can go?
Yes, sure. So there are a lot of channels on YouTube, for example, Out of the Box Developer. And it has got his own channel. So YouTube, Out of the Box Dev. something like this. You can search for that and you will find it. And then you can have a look on all the previous sessions, conversations.
Okay, that's very cool. Thanks a lot, Tila. Awesome to have you here. I mean, thank you for hosting us in this amazing trip.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. All right.